Hi and welcome to another video on Learnyst product tutorials. And in this video, we will see how you can take live classes online using Learnyst even if you are a complete beginner. So to start a live class, we need to create a live stream. To do that, first let's go to the Learnyst admin dashboard and click on products and then courses. And now click on the create button. Give a proper name and title to your course and click create. This takes us to the course builder. Now create a section and give a section name. To create a live stream, click on the live video lesson. Here you can give a proper lesson name and provide the name of the instructor who would be taking this live session. By default, the Learnyst live stream will be selected. You can even select other streams like Ustream, YouTube, Zoom and others like Google Meet and integrate it here. For the scope of this video, we will choose the Learnyst live stream. Next, you can select a date and also pick the start and end time. You can pick either today's date or even schedule your live classes for up to 15 days in advance. For timings, please note that your live classes need to be at least 30 minutes long. It can go up to 120 minutes or 2 hours per session. After your session is complete, the system will automatically upload the live session. You can choose to enable or disable the automatic upload of live classes by clicking on the Upload the live session checkbox. Now let us go ahead and save the live class. As soon as you click save, you can notify your learners through email or SMS. You can click continue to send emails to all your verified student emails. Next, let us activate your live class. To make your live classes active, click on the publish button and make your course live. So with this, we have created a live class for a specific date and specific time. You can repeat these steps to run multiple live classes at the same time and notify your students accordingly. Now, to teach your students live, you need a software to capture your screen and stream your live video. For that, we will be using a tool called OBS or Open Broadcaster software. Let me go ahead and type in the OBS Studio in the browser. Here, you will find multiple links. Let us click on the Download OBS Studio link. Since I am using a Windows-based PC, let me select the Windows OS and click on the Download Installer button. Now, let me go ahead and install the OBS software on my system. As you can see, now the OBS has been installed. Click on Finish to launch the OBS Studio. When the OBS opens up for the first time, an auto configuration wizard will open up. Let us click through these options. Since we will be using the OBS for streaming the live video, let us choose the first option, Optimize for streaming. Now click on Next. Here you can choose a base canvas resolution. For example, if you are going to stream a PPT or solve a problem on a whiteboard, then the base resolution of 1280 x 720 should be sufficient for you. Likewise, you can pick the FPS value of 30 instead of 60 and click on Next. Next, within the service, you can choose the custom option as we will be using Learnyst live stream. Here, you need to paste the server and stream key. To get the server and stream key, go to your Learnyst admin dashboard and click on the Start Live Class button. We suggest you click on the Start Live Class button 10 minutes before your actual session. Upon clicking on the Start Live Class button, you will see the server and stream key getting generated. Copy the server and stream key in a notepad. Next, in your OBS software, go to the settings and click on Stream. Choose Custom from the Service tab and paste the stream link. Next, copy the stream key from the Learnyst dashboard or notepad and paste it here. With this, you are ready to start streaming your live classes. Please note that if you don't start streaming for more than 15 minutes after clicking the Start Live Class button, your live class will get cancelled automatically. So, to start streaming the live class, click on the Start Streaming button in the OBS Studio. As you can see, the live stream has started. If your internet connection is good, you can also see a green color square at the bottom showing that the speed is good. So now your students will be able to see your presentation or any screens that you have set in the OBS Studio. They can also ask you questions through the live chat window. To answer your student question, you can go to your admin dashboard and click on the chat window on the right side to see all their questions. Now let us see how the student side will look.
So in today's lecture, we will talk a very interesting topic. It's called simple interest. I have to find the simple interest and the amount. They have given us the principal, which is 5,000 rupees. So let me go ahead and switch over to the whiteboard where I have actually written down a few things. Now the question here is how to find this particular value, that is the amount. You should be able to see this formula right now in your screen. At the moment it should be here. So yeah, simple interest is 50,000. No, simple interest will be, no, it will not be 50,000. It will be actually, as you can see, the 2 zeros will get cancelled.
Now to know who all have attended your live class session, first click on Reports from the admin dashboard and select the live class attendance section. Here you will get the overall summary of your live class like total live classes, average attendance and attendance percentage and so on. Next, let's click on the live class that you have just completed. Here you will be able to see which learners attended your class. Hope this session was useful for you to know how to conduct live classes and view live class attendance reports. I hope this video was super useful to you. In the comment section, do let me know which tool you use to take your live classes online. And lastly, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to get more such video notifications on course creation and marketing tips. So until next time, see you, take care and have a wonderful day.